Alright, we continue the math tutorial on negative numbers. What are negative numbers? Negative numbers are used to represent values less than zero. The specific interpretation varies depending on the context. For example, if you owe someone money, then it could be negative. Negative numbers may occur when you are measuring difference between two scores. For example, here in this table, we measured different people's attitude towards a film, and then we measured twice at the beginning or before um, an activity and after the activity, and then we can calculate the amount of change or the difference, and then we see in the change there are negatives. The negatives in this case means the change becomes smaller. And we see that 15 after the activity, the score is smaller than 18. All right. Okay, let's move on and take a look how the calculations are conducted for negative numbers. Negative numbers, if we are adding negative numbers, um, what it means is we basically include the negative numbers and simply interpret the negative sign as subtraction. For example, if we have 5 plus negative 3, we can simply write that as equal to 5 subtract 3 equal to 2. Okay. How about subtracting negative numbers? Subtracting negative numbers is similar. However, when we are subtract, we would change it to a positive number and then add. So one example could be we just keep going on 5 subtract negative 3, and then we can write this as 5 plus, since we have double negative sign, we change it to a positive sign here, and then add 3, and then the result will be 8. When multiplying and dividing negative numbers, the two numbers being multiplied or divided, if these two numbers have the same sign, then the result is going to be positive. If they have different signs, then result will be negative. Okay, we use 6, and we use division as example. Divide by negative 3. In this case, our 6 is a positive number and negative 3 is a negative number, so they have different signs. That means the result will be a negative sign. And then 6 divided by 3, we know that's 2. On the other hand, if we have two numbers and both numbers are negative, for example, negative 6, I'm just going to parenthesize divided by negative 3, since they have two numbers and both numbers, they have the same sign, and they will reach a result of 2, which is a positive number. All right, for more detailed practice questions, you can check the textbook, and there are detailed examples and practices that you can work on.